The mysteries of friction unveiled, introducing ASTM D1894. Imagine a universe where plastic wrap clung to itself, refusing to unwind. Picture plastic bags stubbornly resisting the cashier's grasp, their smooth surfaces creating a cosmic dance of frustration. This is a world without friction, a force that governs the everyday interactions of countless materials, including the plastics that permeate our lives. To bring order to this potential chaos, we have ASTM D1894, a standard test method that unveils the secrets of plastic friction. ASTM D1894 measures the static and kinetic coefficients of friction of plastic sheeting and films. In simpler terms, it tells us how much force it takes to start and continue sliding one piece of plastic against another, or against a different surface entirely. This might seem like a trivial detail, but in the vast expanse of manufacturing, it's a force to be reckoned with. From the smooth glide of a credit card through a reader, to the reliable grip of a plastic-wrapped package, friction plays a crucial role in our interactions with these ubiquitous materials. ASTM D1894 allows us to quantify and understand this force, ensuring that the plastic products we rely on behave as expected, whether they're destined for our homes, our industries, or even the vastness of space. Cosmic sledding. How the ASTM D1894 test works. Picture a miniature sled race, but instead of snow, our track is a stationary surface made of a specific material. Our sled, a carefully measured piece of plastic film or sheeting attached to a weight that simulates the force of gravity. This, in essence, is the heart of the ASTM D1894 test. The sled is placed on the starting line and a gentle pull is applied. The force required to overcome the initial resistance and set the plastic in motion is recorded as the static coefficient of friction. Once the sled is moving, the force needed to maintain a steady glide is measured as the kinetic coefficient of friction. This simple yet elegant test, repeated with meticulous precision, provides a wealth of information about the frictional properties of the plastic being tested. It's a process that allows us to predict how a material will behave under various conditions, ensuring that it meets the demands of its intended application. From factory floors to your doorstep, the importance of ASTM D1894. In the bustling factories where plastic products are born, ASTM D1894 serves as a silent guardian, ensuring smooth sailing throughout the production process. Imagine a roll of plastic film, destined to become food packaging, hurtling through a high-speed processing line. If the friction is too high, the film could tear, jam the machinery, and bring the entire operation to a grinding halt. Conversely, if the friction is too low, the film might slip and slide, resulting in improperly sealed packages and compromised products. ASTM D1894 allows manufacturers to strike the perfect balance, a Goldilocks zone of friction, ensuring that their products move smoothly through the production process and arrive at your doorstep intact and ready to use. But the importance of ASTM D1894 extends far beyond the factory floor. It touches countless aspects of our lives, from the reliable performance of medical devices to the safety of children's toys. By understanding and controlling friction, we unlock a universe of possibilities for plastic materials, making them safer, more reliable, and more versatile than ever before. A universe of applications. Benefits of understanding friction. Like the stars scattered across the cosmos, the applications of ASTM D1894 are vast and varied. By understanding the frictional properties of plastic materials, we can tailor their behavior to meet specific needs. Need a plastic film that clings tightly to itself, creating an airtight seal for food storage? ASTM D1894 can help determine the ideal friction coefficient. Looking for a plastic sheeting that glides effortlessly through machinery, preventing snags and tears? ASTM D1894 provides the insights needed to select the right material for the job. From the mundane to the extraordinary, this seemingly simple test unlocks a universe of possibilities. By measuring and understanding friction, we empower ourselves to engineer a future where plastic materials continue to shape and improve our lives. It's a testament to the power of scientific inquiry, and a reminder that even the smallest details can have a profound impact on the vast tapestry of our technological world.